Chapter 2 Kulasya Achara. Right from ancient time in Sanskrit, the fables literature have been popular in Sanskrit literature. Whether it is a Jataka tales or Panchtantra or the Hitopadesha, in every book, animals are the characters through which different tales have been imaginatively written. Fables are created even today. One such fable is presented here. A bird called the Chataka drinks only rainwater. This is a tradition of the Chataka race. Every child born into the Chataka family follows this tradition till today. Once, when a child of the Chataka family is so troubled by thirst that not heeding the advice of his mother, he gets ready to break this tradition. By chance, he hears the conversation between a poor farmer and his son. Inspired by the conversation that he hears between the poor farmer and his son, he goes back to his mother and shows his willingness to follow the customs of his race. From this story, we will be inspired to follow the age-old traditions and customs in order to make our lives better. Though animals are made the object, ultimately the advice is given for a man. In addition to this, you also have to learn the verb forms and the cases that have been used here. एकः चातकः शिशुः आसीत्. श एकदा तृष्या पीडितः जनन्यः समीपं व्रजति वदति च अम्ब तृषा मां पीडयति अहं जलं पातुम् इच्छामि सम्प्रति मेघजलं न मिलति अतः तडागजलमेव पातुम् इच्छामि. जननी वदति बाल वयं तु मेघजलम् एव पिबामः तडागजलं न पिबामः. एषः अस्माकं कुलस्य आचारः अतः त्वं तडागजलं पातुं न शक्नोषि इति. There was a young one of the Chataka. Once he, being afflicted by thirst, goes to mother and says, Mother, I'm thirsty. I wish to drink water. Now the water of the cloud is not available, so I wish to drink the water of the lake only. Mother says, Child, but we drink only the water of the cloud. We do not drink the water of the lake. This is the tradition of our family. So you cannot drink the water of the lake. चातक शिशुः कथयति अम्ब महति मे तृषा
अधुना आकाशे मेघान् न पश्यामि.
कदा मेघः वर्षिष्यति कदा च अहं मेघजलं पातुं शक्नोमि इति न जानामि अतः तृष्या पीडितोऽहं तडागजलं पातुं गच्छामि. The young one of the Chataka says, Mother, I am very thirsty. Now I do not see the clouds in the sky. I don't know when the cloud will shower and when I will be able to drink the water of the cloud. So being afflicted by thirst, I am going to the lake to drink water. Janani पुनरपि चातक शिशुं बोधयति बाल न अयम् अस्माकं कुलाचारः. कुलाचारः सदैव रक्षितव्यः एव. अतः त्वं तडागजलं पातुं न अर्हसि. तृषायाः
सहनं
कृत्वा मेघस्य प्रतीक्षां कर्तुम् अर्हसि त्वम्. Mother again advised the young Chataka, Child, this is not our family tradition. The family tradition has to be preserved. So you had better not drink the water of the lake. You should bear with the thirst and wait for the cloud to shower. जनन्याः कथनम् अश्रुत्वा चातक शिशुः तडागजलं पातुं तडागं गन्तुं निर्गच्छति. मार्गे परिश्रान्तः
सः यदा
एकस्य कृषकस्य गृहस्य समीपे तिष्ठति तदा तात पुत्रयोः वार्तालापं शृणोति. Not paying heed to mother's advice, the young Chataka exits to go to the lake to drink the water of the lake. On the way, when being tired, he stands near a farmer's house. He hears the conversation of the father and the son. कृषकः वृद्धः मरणासन्नः च आसीत्. तस्य समीपे स्थितः तस्य पुत्रः तस्मै कृषकाय कथयति तात अद्य मार्गे मया धनस्यूतः प्राप्तः. तस्य दर्शनात् आनन्दः जातः. तेन मदीयं दारिद्र्यं नष्टं भविष्यति इति विचार्य
धनसूत्य
ग्रहणाय अहं हस्तं प्रासारयम्. किन्तु तदेव मया भवदीयः उपदेशः स्मृतः अन्यस्य धनस्य ग्रहणम् अस्माकं कुलाचारः न इति अतः अहं तत्
धनसुत्यं
तत्रैव अत्यजम्. The farmer was old and was about to die. His son, who was standing near him, tells the farmer, "Father, today a money bag was found by me on the way. Its sight delighted me. Thinking that my poverty will end by it, I reached out my hand. But immediately, I remembered your advice. It is not our family tradition to take the money of others. So I left the money bag there only." चातक शिशुः सर्व शृणोति सः विचारयति अहो मरणासन्नस्य वृद्धस्य तत्पुत्रस्य च स्वकीयं कुलाचारं पालयितुं कीदृशी श्रद्धा. अहं तु कुलाचारं न पालयामि. वयं मेघजलमेव पिबामः इति अस्माकं कुलाचारः. तमहं त्यक्तुं प्रवते. एतत् अनुचितमस्ति. The young Chataka hears it all. He thinks, "Oh, how great is the faith of the old man on his deathbed and his son to maintain the family tradition. But I am not observing our family tradition. It is our family tradition that we drink only the water of the cloud. I was about to give it up. This is not proper." सः चिन्तयति पशवः पक्षिणश्चैव मानवाश्च सदाशयाः रक्षन्ति स्वकुलाचारं रक्षामि कुलमात्मनः. He thinks beasts, birds and the whale, meaning human beings maintain their own family tradition. I will also take care of my family and its tradition. एवं विचिन्त्य सः
मातरं
प्रत्यागच्छति. सर्ववृत्तान्तं च कथयति. माता सन्तोषमनुभवति. शिशवे च आशीर्वादं ददाति. अल्पे एव काले मेघवृष्टिः भवति. मेघजलं पीत्वा चातक शिशोः तृषा शाम्यति. Thus, thinking he returns to his mother and narrates the whole account to her. Mother experiences satisfaction and blesses him. In a short time only, the cloud shower rain. The thirst of the young Chataka bird is satisfied.